Imagine communicating without words, just clicks, whistles, and intricate body language. That's the extraordinary reality for one of the ocean's most intelligent creatures, the dolphin. Today, we're diving into the fascinating secret language of dolphins, uncovering how these marine mammals communicate, socialize, and thrive through their dynamic sonic world. Dolphin communication is a symphony of distinct signals. High-frequency clicks provide echolocation, creating detailed sonic maps for navigation and finding prey. Their signature whistles act like names, allowing individuals to identify and locate pod members over distances. Burst-pulsed sounds convey aggression or excitement, crucial for group dynamics. This intricate language underpins their highly social lives. Dolphins use specific calls to coordinate sophisticated hunting strategies, like herding fish. They also communicate predator warnings, share food information, and teach their young essential skills. This fosters strong bonds and cooperative behaviors. Intriguingly, dolphins mimic sounds from other dolphins, species, and even human speech, suggesting advanced acoustic learning. Research hints at rudimentary syntax. Their sounds might arrange in sequences for different meanings. While we haven't cracked their code, these findings expand our understanding of animal intelligence. The secret language of dolphins is a testament to their incredible intelligence and social complexity. It's a rich, dynamic system that continues to astound scientists. What's your favorite dolphin fact? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives.